Bago pa man makiisa ang sister city sa Grand Street Dance Parade, idinaos na ang isang medical mission sa Aurora Hill Super Health Center. Pinangunahan ito ng KABSAT o ng Communities Aligning Baguio City and San Antonio, Texas, isang non-government organization na binubuo ng Cordilleran Healthcare Providers. Sa pakikipagtulungan ng City Health Services Office, nagbigay ang KABSAT ng libreng ECG, blood sugar, total cholesterol, at ilang pang basic lab tests at check-ups sa mga residente ng Aurora Hill. Ayon sa Aurora Hill Super Health Center, diabetes at hypertension ang karaniwang dinaramdam ng mga residente dito. At dahil may sapat na kapasidad ang naturang health center, inirekomenda ito para pagdausan ng isang medical activity.
Basing on the top causes of morbidity here in the city or in the area of Aurora Hill, we have the top, which is hypertension and diabetes. So we said, since that is the case, we would like to offer something cardiac related to the heart. And we said that since it's February, of course, you know, the love month, take care of your heart. So yun. So yan po. So that's why we decided, and then they said, okay, we will also add some laboratory tests like the blood sugar. Yun nga, kasi dahil ang top hypertension, sunod ang diabetes. We have a lot here po kasi, kaya we decided on those tests.
Paalala pa ni Doktora, importante ang regular check-up upang maiwasan ang sakit.
Yeah, it's important to have, even if we're not feeling anything, to have your basic laboratories or check-up for prevention of illnesses.
Ang naturang medical mission na pinangunahan ng KABSAT ay bahagi ng mga aktibidad ng Sister Cities Program. Layo ng programang ito na mas palakasin ang ugnayan sa pagitan ng dalawa o higit pang mga syudad at upang maibahagi ang best local government practice sa bawat isa. Conan Gulapa para sa PIO, Baguio Balita.